stanchions. Sure, you could pick just any of our QueuePole stanchions and you'd end up with a wonderful crowd control system, but we have tailored 3 separate lines, the Value, the Economy, and the Deluxe, to suit your specific needs. At first glance, they all look pretty similar, right? So what exactly is the difference? Let's start with the QueuePole Value Stanchion. This option is available in black only and is 36 inches tall with a 2-inch wide nylon belt that extends 6.5 feet long. Made of durable powder-coated steel, the pole and base screw together for quick and easy assembly with no tools needed. The base has a 12.6-inch diameter that is weighted with a rubber base to keep it secured in place and prevent scratching. If you're looking for a quick and low-cost crowd control solution, this is the stanchion for you. Next, we have our QueuePole Economy Stanchion. A 6.5 long foot belt comes standard. Standing 5 inches taller than the Value Stanchion, the QueuePole Economy has a 41.5-inch tall pole and a 14-inch base with a rubber bottom to prevent movement. The stanchion comes in multiple finishes, and much like the Value, this option is also simple to assemble without any tools. This is the only QueuePole option with custom printing available on the 2-inch wide nylon belt, creating the perfect space for company branding. The belts come in a variety of colors too. Because of the printing and the color variations available in this line, we suggest the QueuePole Economy Stanchion for anyone looking for more ways to stay on brand. And lastly, we have our QueuePole Deluxe. At 40 inches tall, this option is a bit shorter than our Economy Stanchion, but the belt is 3 feet longer, expanding the configuration possibilities. You can also easily change the belt cartridge with the touch of a button. Also, the weighted round base with the rubber bottom gives this stanchion added stability. Belts are available in black, gray, and blue, and the poles come in a variety of finishes and shapes. In addition, we also offer velvet ropes as an extension of our Deluxe line. Our Deluxe line has the most color, material, and finish options out of all of our stanchions, making it great for organizations looking for a classier option. We hope this helps you better understand which of our QueuePole stanchions will best fit your commercial space and officially make your crowd control needs a worry of the past.